flying out of Singapore today to London Heathrow from gate B7. Yes, boarding, and we are going to board the SQ380 business class. Top. It's SQ Airbus A380 business class seat looks like this. That's awesome. A380 business class. Here. And then here. And yes, awesomeness. Okay, and it's a bit of mirror. And the jets outside. Wow. And the toilet on the A380 business class. Pretty neat. Standard stuff, but nice. Stairs are right behind us, yes. Okay, the leg room on the business class seat. Pretty neat, huh? Yep. Slight angle when you sleep later. This is what it looks like.
For London Heathrow. My time today is 13 hours and 55 minutes. And with me the flight deck is Captain Anurag Gupta, Senior First Officer Eric, and Senior First Officer Sylvester. In the cabin, the flight manager is Mr. David Chung.
It's gonna be a long flight to London, 14 hours. Wow.
Please give us your attention as we bring you through this.
Thank God for the privilege to fly in business class today. And did you know Lord Jesus Christ is coming again? Yes. But today I shall sing one of my favorite songs, As the Deer, as we watch this takeoff. As the deer panteth for the water, so my soul long after you. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. And so we are in the air. The Airbus A380 effortlessly lifts off the ground. Do you know Lord Jesus is coming again? Harpazo, harpazo, harpazo. I'll see you in the sky. Lord Jesus, you promised you're coming again. We lift your name on high. Oh yes, believe in him before it's too late. It's already January 2025, the time I'm making the video. Breakfast service started soon once we got in the air. And breakfast, yes, a fruit platter for breakfast, which is a typical breakfast offered by SQ. Interesting, isn't it? Table can push out enough that you can get out. It's pretty cool, yes. Got some bread with my favorite Lobster Thermidor. You gotta book the cook for this, okay? It's not on the menu. You gotta book the cook before you get on board. And after breakfast, time for a nap. Yes, time for a nap. But didn't know why. Still hungry, so asked for a snack. Then I got a warm bun with some beef inside, and a favorite drink, gin tonic. Yes. How interesting, and there was some activity in the cabin that was fun. Well, somebody was getting free cake for an anniversary, I think. Anyway, back to my gin tonic. I brought my own oranges. Yes, these were my own oranges, and they go superbly well with gin tonic. Yeah, my new favorite drink on board Singapore Airlines, but you do need to bring your own oranges. Hot towel service. This was about midway in the flight, 7 hours to go. Yes, the full meal was served. Satay started with the satay canapes. Yes. So this would be the meal before landing. It's served like midway during the flight. Laying out the table. Yes, we are going to have a full meal now. Satay was just the first canapes as they lay out the table for the main meal. Yes, the main meal of the flight. So here was some kind of starter, which was a cold starter, grilled chicken. You got some bread with olive oil. Yes. Of course, you can choose to have the garlic bread as well, but this time around I decided to give that a miss. Just went for a normal bread with some olive oil, vinaigrette. I think I got that too. And my main was a Suzuki teriyaki, which is a fish, as well as some beautiful red wine. And after that, it was quick for the dessert. We had a cheese plate. And what else did I get? And fruits. Ooh, greedy me. And one more thing. What else did I get? Voila! Cake! Woohoo! Lots of dessert. After the main meal, I went back to sleep again, and when I woke up, well, we were right over Europe, I think right over Germany. Going to be doing a descent not too long from now. Yes, comfortable flight, but long. It's almost 14 hours. So yeah, Singapore to London, guess due to the flight path. Alright, let's see, let's go.
The local time is now 40 minutes past 2 in the afternoon. And we'll be landing at about 25 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. Weather in London, cloudy conditions reported with a temperature of 7 degrees Celsius. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly Singapore Airlines and have a blessed day. Cabin crew, prepare the aircraft for up.
The good thing with the Airbus A380 Business class seat, it can retract back into a seat or plane or bed mode just by a press of a button. Yes, you cannot do it when you're seated, of course. Just get out and press. Much better than the A350 where you gotta physically manhandle the seat and fold it over, which can get a bit tiresome at times. So I much prefer this seat.
The A380 Business class, you can put your bag underneath, which is much better than the B771. Yep. Okay, back to my seat.
And this is SQ Flight 308, making final approach into London Heathrow. Yes, we took off from Singapore at 9 AM and we would be landing in London on the same day at about 3:30 PM. Yes, 8-hour time difference between London and Singapore. And remember, Lord Jesus is coming again. You're my friend and you are my brother, even though you are a king. I love you more than any other, so much more than anything. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. I want you more than gold or silver, only you can satisfy. You alone are the real joy giver and the apple of my eye. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart. desire and I long to worship you. Yes, believe in Lord Jesus Christ before it's too late, and welcome to London Heathrow. It was a very pleasant flight. Singapore Airlines Business Class Airbus A380, though a bit long, 14 hours in all. Fly Singapore Airlines. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. And this flight was taken in mid-December and published in early January 2025. It's 2025 already, yeah? So Lord Jesus is coming again. Harpazzo, harpazzo, harpazzo. I hope to see you in the sky. Do you have a ticket to heaven? Lord Jesus, you promised. Yes, you promised. He's coming again. It'll be soon, we don't know exactly when. It'll be very soon. We left your name on high. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the songs, enjoyed the flight review. Yeah, keep at it. Keep at it. Have a great day and have a wonderful 2025. The Lord bless you and keep you. Enjoy. Signing off for now.